Ille-et-Vilaine. Ille-et-Vilaine French pronunciation. Ille-et-Vilaine listen, Breton. Il-ha-Gwilen is a department of France located in the region of Brittany in the northwest of the country. It is named after the two rivers of the Ille and the Vilaine. History. Ille-et-Vilaine is one of the original 83 departments created during the French Revolution on March 4. It was created from part of the province of Brittany. Geography. Ille-et-Vilaine is a part of the current region of Brittany and is bordered by the departments of Manche to the northeast, Maine to the east, Maine-et-Loire short border to the southeast, Loire-Atlantique to the south, Morbihan to the southwest, and Côtes d'Armor to the west and northwest. Also the English Channel La Manche in French borders the department to the north. The department is named after its two main rivers, the Ille and the Vilaine, whose confluence is in Rennes, the capital of the department and of the region. Other important rivers include the Rance that borders the department in the northwest and flows to the north, creating a deep fjord before reaching the English Channel on the western part of the coast named Côte de Maraude between the cities of Dinard and Saint-Malo. The Rance River is connected from the west of the department at the Cowasnan that borders the eastern part of the department and which reaches the eastern part of the coast of the English Channel, in the flat bay of the Mont Saint-Michel. The department is moderately elevated above the level of the sea, with many hills. However, the central part has a dense network of many tributaries to the Ille or the Vilaine from all around the large basin of Rennes. The elevated hills bordering this basin are covered by several old forests now exploited by men for the production of wood. The basin itself is a rich agriculture area, as well as the northwest of the department near the Rance. In the extreme south of the department, the Vilaine goes through a slower decrease in elevation in a small corridor in the area of the city of Redon. In this area, the Vilaine is known for its frequent floods during its recent history, often because of too intensive draining of agricultural areas around Rennes. Some floods also affected some parts of Rennes up to the 1980s due to avoid these hazards within inhabited cities. Some natural fields bordering the Vilaine in the south of the department are now left floodable, and works for regulating the level have been done, including small artificial lakes with derivation channels, replanting trees in the basin, better management of forests, and regulating the artificial drains made for agriculture. Demographics. The population has grown rapidly over the last few decades and was estimated at 1,051,779 in January 2016. Population development since 1801. Language. Gallo is a historic minority language spoken in eastern Brittany. Gallo and Breton are both studied at the University of Rennes. Breton. Historically, the Breton language was little spoken in the eastern part of Brittany, and this was one of the first regions where the language disappeared such that Breton was not spoken for many centuries. Today, Breton is again spoken due to schools teaching Breton, and due to a small immigration from western Brittany to eastern Brittany, where there are more cities with growing industries and external investment and therefore more work. A recent study shows that Breton speakers in this region represent 3.3% of the total number of Breton speakers. The Breton speakers aged 18-30 in this region represent 12.7% of the total number of Breton speakers of that age group. This is because there are relatively few elder speakers, but many people are learning the language. The study says that about 1,800 people are learning it. This includes one due in school in Rennes, some bilingual public and Catholic schools, and evening courses. Politics, politics, politics. The president of the General Council is the socialist Jean-Louis Turenne since the 2004 French cantonal elections. The city of Rennes and its suburbs are the original base of the rapid socialist growth in the department. The city has been governed by socialist mayors since 1977, notably by Edmond Herve between 1977 and 2008. Since then, The growth of middle-class suburbs have helped the socialists, who have been rapidly gaining strength in those formerly right-leaning areas. The right remains strong in a strongly Catholic clerical area from outside Redon to Witter or Fougères. In addition, the right is strong in the wealthy coastal area of St. Malo and Dinard. Current National Assembly representatives: tourism,